Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm in my same clothes. I'm trying to knock out some videos for next week. I have another unboxing, and it is also from my 2020 wish list. It is a piece from Cartier. I texted an essay from New York that I was supposed to meet in New York the next day when I was there, and I couldn't get to her because we had to go home early and all. But anyway, I texted her and I asked her if she could send me the item, and she did, and she is amazing. She literally helped me so much. She sent me pictures of everything, and I was debating between the two, the Just Unclue or the wedding band, and I will show you guys what I got. I just want to introduce myself. My name is Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury reviews, luxury hauls, all things luxury. So if you're that kind of thing, then please hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Mondays and Thursdays. So without further ado, let's get right in this unboxing because I'm super excited, and this has been literally, I got it yesterday morning and I didn't want to unbox it because I was like, I'm gonna do a video tomorrow, but it was really teasing me all day yesterday and last night. I was like, should I just open it? Should I just open it? But I know I haven't done a true unboxing on my video, on my YouTube channel. So I was like, I'm just gonna do this for them. So you guys know that I love you if I'm literally waiting to unbox something, because I'm the most impatient person ever when it comes to luxury. I just want to rip everything up and just wear it as soon as I get it. So yes, shipping, or my address, is on the top of the box, so I don't want to show you guys that, but this is the box that it came in. How beautiful is this box, guys? It is so beautiful. The box itself is such good quality too. I just love it. And she wrapped it up so nicely. So let's get into this unboxing. So she wrapped it with like this really thick layer of tissue paper. I really greatly appreciate that. And here is my receipt. So here's my receipt. It comes in this little envelope style kind of cover. This is my certificate, also my receipt. And my certificate. I don't know why, but people cover their number. But this is the certificate envelope, and it says love on it, so that just gave it away. But this is also my receipt from them, and this cost $1,140.89. That is the item, and also the tax that is included. So I think that's a great price point because it is 18 karat gold and it will literally last you forever. So here she is. She put it in a little shopper bag. I love that so much, and it was protected underneath. Yeah, she put it in a shopper bag. I'm so happy about that because literally packaging is everything. So yes, this is the Cartier red bag, classic red bag with the little beautiful thick straps. These straps are so nice. I just love it so much. Okay, so before getting started with the item, this is the little travel pouch. This is great if you have, like, I literally put my earrings in here too. I know I put my earrings and my rings in here when I went to New York. So yeah, it says Cartier in the inside, super beautiful, and it's like a velvet soft material. Then the next thing that you get is this little cleaning kit. I already got one from my thicker Cartier love ring, but she gave me a second one, which is super nice of her. It comes with the cleaning cloth, comes with like this little lotion that just polishes your jewelry, and also a little mini brush. So I love the box that they provide with this too, because this is great if you like take everything out and use this as like a little jewelry box. Super cute. So yes, she provided me with this item. Is in here. I'm so excited. Okay, when I got my thicker love bands from Cartier, they did not give me the white packaging, and I didn't notice until I got home and looked inside, because I was so nervous at the mall while I was walking around to look inside the bag, and I should have, and I regret not doing that. But now I know. You always learn your lesson that way, when you don't do something that your gut is telling you to do. Anyway, yes, so she gave me the classic white packaging. I am so in love with this. Like, look at the detailing of that. That is so beautiful. Just the Cartier logo. And yes, let's open her up, guys. I'm so nervous. I don't want to ruin this packaging either, so I'm going to try my best not to. It's like really on there though. Okay, I'm gonna have to rip it a little. So sad, but oh, that's why, because it's taped. Okay. I'm sorry guys, this is taking me a little bit. Trying to not rip it. Okay, there we go. So this is the box. How beautiful is this box? Oh my goodness. I'm so weird. I like to smell new things. So this is the box, the outside of the box. And then this is the classic Cartier box. I love this so much. Okay, so are we ready? The ring that I ended up getting was the, well, that's a fail. Oh my goodness. Let's just try this one more time. The Love wedding band. Oh my gosh. It is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I'm about to cry. Okay, so this is the Cartier Love wedding band. Putting the box away. This is the Cartier Love wedding band in the yellow gold. I wanted it in the yellow gold to match my thicker love ring. So this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness. It is so beautiful, you guys. Okay, so let's put this on together. If the lighting will help me out here. Oh my goodness. And there we have it. Oh my gosh. I'm so obsessed. This is beautiful. Okay, so that is what it looks like on my finger. And I also like to play around with these because I can also fit this on my pointer finger. So if I want to like switch it up one day, I can also wear this on my ring finger like that. This lighting though, like, oh my gosh, it's so bad. I'm so sorry guys. But yes, I can do that. I can even wear it on my thumb if I want to really be creative. So I could wear it on that finger. Can't wear it on my pinky, it's too big. But I could also wear it on this finger right here. So I could wear it on that finger. My pointer finger, also my thumb. So yeah, I love how I could literally fit this ring on all my fingers because I could switch it up one day. But I do plan on just stacking them like this and wearing it like this. It's just so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So that is all that I have for you guys. Oh my gosh, this lighting. I'm so sorry. This is what I get for being lazy, honestly. Okay, so yes, that is my little unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. If you have any questions or video suggestions for this love ring or both my love rings, please let me know in the comments. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night, wherever in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Go follow me on Instagram. I'll put my name here. Bye, guys.